here. It's currently 7:27, and we are here finally again with some minor hiccups, you know, from last week. There was some problems last week, but now we are here. We're riding. I'm on the bike. As you might see or tell a difference, there is some stuff that are a bit different than before. Fuck, I hate this shit. No mirrors. Well, I didn't use them anyways, but like there is no mirrors now, and also new clutch levers and brake lever, as you see. Yeah. I was gonna plan, like I had planned to go record last week and make a video and like upload it on Friday, Saturday. But I mean, there was just a slight problem. I didn't have a brake lever. It broke off. So my girlfriend was trying to be nice to me. Go wash my bike because, as you see, it's full of shit. It's still full of shit. I just got these the levers yesterday. So she tried to go wash. She was gonna go wash it for me. But like the problem is she's short. I'm sorry. Ah! I love you. Yeah, she is short, so she might or might not have dropped the bike, and the lever might or might not have broken off. So yeah, now we got new. But I kind of don't like the clutch. Like this is good because it's short, but my clutch lever, like it's kind of off. You know, it's not where I want it to be. And like 2 fingers feels really awkward because it's still super far, like super long, and I want to do 2-finger clutch. I just cannot do it, no, because the clutch hit my fingers, and I really don't like it. And it's like this far. Like this one is like halfway, you see. And I tried to move the clutch thingy upwards, and I did. It's all the way up now, as you see. But it's still like too much. Like I don't know what to do. And it's the levers are the same. Oh, you see, that's what I mean. It doesn't pull in the clutch fully. So I don't know what to do. I cannot 4-finger it either because it is like a 3-finger clutch now. I might have to go. I can 3-finger it, but like I cannot 2-finger it, which is annoying. But yeah, the brake lever is really good. I like the position and everything. But the clutch, not so much. I want a shorter one. You see, the assembly is kind of weird because it starts here because I have a hydraulic, but the brake one starts like parallel to it or whatever you say. But this one like goes there, so it's longer. It's not longer, but it just looks longer. You see the difference? It just looks longer. So it's super fucking weird. But yeah, no, we find it out. I ordered these. There wasn't a huge problem. The good thing though, the good news after dropping the bike, I am gonna paint it. So this will get a new paint job. So that's gonna be content for the winter when I cannot go out and ride, because winter in Sweden is gonna be like snowy as fuck. You cannot do anything. Yeah. So yeah. It's gonna be super fun. I don't really know how to paint, and these are OEM fairings, but yeah, it's gonna be super fun. Good content, maybe, hopefully. Helpful content, maybe, hopefully. Yeah, so we'll see. Let me show you the damage, guys. So as I told you, oh, now you can see clearly. You see how this goes, and then how this one goes. It just ends like here. So annoying. Yeah, so the damage basically is, it was the lever, this one, which is like basically kind of fun, but I want a new one. I want a lever guard as well. Some minor scratches here on the pegs, which is all fine. This though, this is kind of, I don't like this. It's like a big scratch here. I mean, this one took a little beating, but it's fine honestly, because she wasn't going that fast. She was on a hill, and she tried to stop, but she didn't reach on the right side. She dropped on the right side and just slided for like a half a meter. And this as well. But the worst part is this one. I'll have to take down that, repaint it, sand it, repaint it. I was gonna buy a new one, but then I saw the price. I was like, there's not worth it, bro. And I dropped on this side, if you guys remember. I'll pull a clip right here. Yeah, I dropped this one. My fault. And I scratched here. So I think here as well. Oh, yeah, I forgot. This one is a little scratch. Oh, that's also. I mean, it's not bad because it's, I don't know, I think it's aluminium or magnesium, so it's not bad. It's not gonna rust or anything. But like, I don't like. It shows, you know. I don't like it. So I'm gonna try to paint it or something. Hopefully it's gonna be so good. Bro, why is it so dirty? Rev check, sound check. There you go. That's the sound of it. That's the pure sound of the CBR 1000 or 2006 note. Okay, let's go out, right again. Where should we go? Should we go to the... I don't like the city because I just saw a cop when I was going out. And I don't like cops, you know. So we might just go... Yeah, I might just go here. Yeah, fuck it. That view, that's fucking crazy view. Like, what the fuck? That is so beautiful. Like, honestly, it's so beautiful. And I've been riding for like 10 minutes and I need to get a 10-minute video to post on YouTube. So I need like stuff to talk about. I need what's it called? I need some headlines, you know. I need something to talk about because if I just go on yapping, I'll be quiet like as I am right now, and I won't get any content. It's just gonna be me quietly riding my bike. Now, I'm sure I can put on music if you guys want to, but like, I don't want to get copyrighted. I mean, not that I'm getting, no, I have fucking 30 followers, but like, I just want to learn that, you know, process. It might be nice with some music now that I get any money out of it, you know. Fuck the copyright. I don't have any followers, so I'm not gonna get paid anyway, so what does it matter? I think I should be in second, though, fourth, yeah, I'm in second gear. I could try wheeling now, but like, I'm scared as fuck, especially on the bigger like this. It's a 90 right now, actually. We're going 70. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the Mariannelund. That's what it's called. I'll put the name here. Oh, that way. Fuck, that way. Mariannelund. Yeah. It's a really nice place. It's a really quiet town. It's not a city, it's a town. It has like what is it? Population of, what is it? 2,000 maybe? 2.5, 3? Like maximum 3,000 in population. So it's really small, but it's really nice. I'll show you like some pretty spots, and I'll show you where I used to live. Why does my bike do that? It's me that is doing left and right, right? Yeah. I thought the rear wheel was going left and right. I was like, it's snaking? What the fuck is going on? Honda Ioniq. I ride with music on, guys, so if I just start mumbling and singing, I'll probably cut it out, but like, I'm just saying, if I start doing that, it's because I have music on. Bro, I'm in second gear. Let's go. Let's fucking go. I'm killing the bike in 3,000 RPM second gear. Look at the fuck. Going so slow. Like as soon as you come here, you just feel the air be like moisturized, because there's like water all over Marilyn, like small things, like small. Let's go. I don't know what's called, but yeah, you just feel it. I hit fucking neutral, bro. The fuck. I was looking at a house up here. It didn't go well. Oh gosh. Oh my god, they removed it completely. Like, what the fuck, guys? This is the school I went to like 1 year, because I moved here and I went like 9th grade, and then after 9th grade they don't have it, so I had to move to another town. Well, I have to go to another town. It's a really nice school though, nice teachers and all. Let's see, don't drive me over, thank you. So this is like the ugly parts, what are we saying? Like no space are up there. Like here is just apartments, like shitty apartments. And I used to live, I'll show you, in that blue apartment, blue white apartment. That's where I used to live. We'll just go to the nicer spots. Bro, these roads are shit. Like, sure, it's nicer, but the roads are fucking shit. Like, what the fuck is this shit, bro? Fix the roads. Like, oh my god, bro, it's a... Bro, this is a dirt bike, bro. This isn't a fucking asphalt. This is a dirt bike. I'll show you the R32, or where it used to be. I think it's sold it now. Not sure. Oh my god, these potholes! What the fuck? So these houses are actually kind of nice, just to be honest, for this town at least. You know, they're not nice, but they're nice for this town. That's like, there is actually people here with nice cars, but there isn't many. That's what I'm gonna say. There isn't many. Okay, this is like, that is also nice. Some nice roads, like some nice houses. But I'll show you the R32. Well, the owner of the R32 GTR. I have some pics on it. I don't know where they are though. Like, I might put it up here if I find some pics on it. If I don't, blank, fuck it. Feels like everybody's renovating. Like, what the fuck is going on? So this used to be the guy that has the R32. I think he changed it and bought like 2 BMWs instead. I think the other BMW was there before. I think he sold it and bought the newer BMW and another older one, E90. Not sure though. Or he might just moved, I don't know. I don't think he's moved though. I ain't taking the fucking roundabout like that, bro. Fuck that shit. Where's he going? License plate. Yeah, she was braking to get my license plate, but I ain't stopping to give her my license plate. I mean, I don't have a license plate anyway, so she can go behind me as much as she wants. I haven't been that road though. I've been like here, just on the main road, not on any side roads. This, like, it looks very nice as well. Like that, I can imagine it's like a beautiful road. It's to like some water or something. That's a nice house. It's a shitty place, but it's a nice. Oh, imagine. I think that's an old gas station or something. It looks really cool, but it didn't look nice. It looked kind of rotten. No, but honestly, these houses on this road, they all kind of look nice. Like, I wouldn't mind having one of these houses, but just not in this town because there's nobody living in this town. Because they have like, I think, one store. We passed it. I'm gonna... Yeah. I don't think they have anything else. Yeah, she was definitely getting my license. Now that I'm thinking about it, because she heard me, and she might have seen me on another road, because we've been going for a while now, and then she just like fucking. I guess she was not braking because she was braking lightly, but she just wanted me to pass, and I passed it legally with the, what's it called, indicators or blinkers. Yes, So I passed her illegally as well. What you gonna do? Film me passing her? Go like, oh my ass, bro. My ass is dead. I feel like my ass is like sleeping, or like it's so warm, my ass. I mean, I know I have a seat warmer because my exhaust is just right under my seat. CBR, you know, the older ones. Yeah, it's very nice. And I've been talking with one hand, well, riding with one hand, and talking with my other hand. So I have been leaning on my arm, so my like shoulder area hurts a little bit.